My name is Sha Foland, and I'm with the YMCA of Silicon Valley, serving as the Director of Member Engagement. I am pursuing the Global Leader certification because, as a cause-driven YMCA leader, I have a responsibility to uphold our promise to strengthen community. With our changing community demographics, it has become increasingly important that I have the skills and competencies necessary to show up every day in a determined and welcoming way to embrace our community exactly where they are at with open, accepting arms. I completed the Global Leader eLearning orientation, which covered an introduction of the YMCA as an international organization, the opportunity for local diversity and inclusion engagement, and also how local Y leaders can have a deeper impact to ensure access for all. The eLearning was easy to use. I just simply logged into my LCDC account, searched for the Global Leader certification, and launched the course. The course is the first step towards earning your Global Leader certification. Having this big lens in my daily work has been instrumental to prepare me to guide staff, better serve our communities, and also to continue to develop myself not only professionally, but personally as well. So go ahead and start your Global Orientation e-learning today. You'll be glad that you did.